Here's the entryway. To the left is a closet. Laundry room. Hallway. Patrick. Gershwin being a no bad. The kitchen, which is not so small, and it's still nice. Say hi, Gershwin. Gershwin. This way is the bathroom, which is like super gigantic. I don't know if you can fully appreciate. And super big closet. First one's following me. So the bathroom has 2 doors. And the bedroom has 2 doors. Pat and Linus are working on a puzzle. Dining room. Living room.
I'm sure there is. That's no problem.
And then bedroom with a door to the bathroom. Then you come in the bedroom, and I'm going to have to turn on a light, which I should have turned on before. In the bedroom is my study. So there's my window to the outside, my study, kitty tower, bedroom, doors closed behind me, and then door to the bathroom. See? Gershwin again. If you turn around, the bedroom, which is pretty freaking big and awesome. And then from the kitchen,